So it's a parking lot regrading, and it's for the Humane Society here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. So the reason why we showed up early is to beat the staff. The reason why is that we're doing the regrading in two different sections. The lot didn't look too bad because we've already did it before. This is probably, I think, the second time that we actually did it. So the first time we did it was a lot worse. This time it was actually not too bad. So it didn't take long for us to do it. I think we did it in 4 hours or less. So we start off with the employee parking first, and then we head off over into the other sections. This allows basically one section to be done where they're not scrambling for spots to park. So this allows us to do the full section and allow them to still park. So I was using the cat skid steer, the 259D. I was also using the Bobcat attachment for the soil conditioner. That tears up the gravel, takes off the first 2-inch layer. After that, I switch over to the smooth bucket to regrade the lot after I've ripped up the gravel. After I smooth it down, get everything to grade, I run it over with our roller packer and give it a nice pack down. Here's the after shots of what it looks like.